Add the Monkfruit sweetener. The brand I used is in the description below. Spray some oil on a plastic bag or plastic wrap so that you can grease the springform pan. I also floured the sides and the bottom of the pan so that the cheesecake won't stick. Five packages of softened cream cheese added to the bowl of a stand mixer. In a measuring cup, you'll combine the heavy whipping cream and the sour cream. Stir it well. My dad helped me perfect this recipe. We spent a lot of time in the kitchen together. I'm setting my springform pan on top of a pizza baking sheet so that if any cheesecake filling leaks out, it won't get all over my oven while baking. If you have extra cheesecake batter, do this. Regarding the cheesecake in the 9-inch springform pan, after it has been baking for 1 hour and 5 minutes, check to see if the middle of the cheesecake is firm. If it is still jiggly and looks liquidy, let it bake for another 5 minutes, then check again. If it's still liquidy in the middle, continue to bake for 2 minutes, then check again and continue to add 2 minutes baking time until the middle is no longer looking liquidy. The allulose makes things creamy, but it also requires a little bit more baking time because of this. I ended up having to bake mine for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. I call this the jiggle test. Stay with me. I know I'm talking a lot, but I want you to have an awesome cheesecake. So regarding the cheesecake and the small white ramekins, because these are smaller, they will be done baking before the big cheesecake. Mine were done at around 1 hour and 5 minutes, but you need to start checking on them around 50 minutes. Do the same jiggle test to see if it's liquidy in the middle. I baked all the cheesecakes together, but honestly, it would be a better idea to bake them at separate times from the big cheesecake so that you don't have to keep opening the oven door. Keep a close eye on these cheesecakes. You don't want to overcook them. For other lower in sugar treats, click the link below. You might be wondering what happened to the other small cheesecake. I already ate it. So creamy and so decadent. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you soon.